Hi guys, I am Gabriel and I'll be taking you through how I achieve this look using no glue and no heat. Remember to follow me at Thegabriels and for short hair at Thegabriels cut. So this is our hair initially. It's short, really short, so I relaxed the hair, then I molded. The initial hair she did add pattern, that's why you could see a line at the side of the hair. So I molded the hair in a perfect way all through the sides. And as you can see, I already weaved the middle of the hair because that is where I want the extension to be, since I'm not using glue. So we dry the hair and I'm fixing the extension. So right here I'm using Afro-B. Afro-B is a common weaveon that is used in Nigeria. It's for short hair. So when you're fixing, you want to make sure you end it towards the left hand side. No, the right. Is it left or right? The right hand side, so that the knot you finished with won't show. So at this point I'll be cutting the Pixie. I want it really short at the front and I want it to have volumes, so I'm just trying to blend the weave together with her hair, I'm trying to get the exact length of her hair at the back, as you can see. And right now I'm using the scissors to get the exact flow I want at the front, because I don't just want it to go smooth or straight. I want to get some wavy kind of lines. So that's what I'm doing right now. So just watch to the end and see how beautiful this looks. I'm actually taking my time to cut the front so that you all can see how to get a perfect cut at the front to get the lines to desire. I'm sure you must have seen hair like this out there. You just wonder how they come about it, how it's been done. The cut is most essential because it is all that gives the look. Because this look, I'm not using any heat on it, so you really want to take your time cutting. So at this point I'm molding together with the hair that I already molded, so I'm just trying to blend everything together. So boom, it's dry. So at this point I will be doing some extra cutting to make sure I get the perfect blend of the weave to her hair. Initially I did not come out the hair, but at this point I will. So I'm trying to blend the weave on first by the sides. You can see that. So that's the hair towards the crown with the sides of the hair, trying to blend it so even when she's combing, you tend to get the same flow. Not that one will be coming out and the other will be in. Do you understand? So you just keep watching because this looks good already. Doesn't it? It does. It does. So keep looking. Keep watching. So I'm using my comb and my blade method to get a perfect bend at the back. You will see what the result looks like even after all of this. I love the effect it gives to the back of the hair compared to what scissors or clipper gives. I use clipper very well, but then I love the effect that gives. Just want to make sure you get the perfect line, not making it too excess to the side of the ear. You just want to make sure you get a perfect line. So at this point, I'm using my razor to carve the sides of the hair. And while using the razor, you have to be very careful because you can actually injure your client if you're not careful enough. And while using it, you want to make sure you stretch the skin to get the perfect line you desire and not to hurt the client. So you can see what the front looks like. No heat at all. You can see what this looks like. So I'm going to be zooming in soon for you to see the effect. So right now I'm just trying to blend the old hair, making sure the front looks really good as desired. Tell me you're loving this already. It's so beautiful. Can you see the flow from the side towards our forehead? It's everything and more. I love this look. And boom, this is our final look. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. Do you? Let me hear what you have to say at the comment section. And remember to like, to subscribe, to share with your friends and loved ones, and press the bell button to get more of this when I post, because many more videos will be dropping. So this hair is something you can play around with your fingers, with your comb, with anything. You really don't have to stress it. Just work with it, provided you cut it very well. So you want to share with your friends, you want to show your clients, you want to show your barbers, you want to show whoever that is working on your hair. And if you live in Lagos, Nigeria, seeing this video, you can book a salon appointment. Just send a DM on Instagram and boom, you are at our salon. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Love you all.